During hearing on Monday in suo motu PIL taken by the High Court on Monday, the amicus curiae informed the High Court that the 16 structures which was declared by the previous secretary of Anjuna Panchayat demolished is still existing and mostly are still indulged in business activities. Surprised by the statement made by the amicus curiae, the High Court summoned the present secretary of Anjuna Panchayat to remain present in the court at 2:30 p.m. The secretary of Anjuna Panchayat, Jitendra Naik, appeared before the High Court and said that he is not very much aware about the previous directions as he has taken over the charge only in the month of October. Then the High Court has directed present secretary and the previous secretary to file affidavit within the week declaring their position on the issue of those demolished structures. The High Court has also directed Director of Panchayat to remain present in the court on 31st January to assist the High Court on this issue. The High Court has also directed the authorities to demolish 38 structures for which demolition notice have been issued by the Anjuna Panchayat and 16 those structures which were declared as demolished but still existing. The hearing has been adjourned for 31st January. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.